Hey guys, we're coming at you with another video. This model is the SE. You do have to remove the tail lights to take off the rear bumper, and I will link that rear bumper removal video at the end. Enjoy.
I just pull it off? Unplug this. Don't forget to press that button. Then just use it. This? Ready? There's your gap. There's a grip right here. Just wiggle it out.
Just pull this way. You got it?
Is it out already?
Yeah, it's out already.
So just yank it out?
Yeah.
Hold it out. Now what? This was a 10 too, right? Now push this in.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, so then I'll pull it out, right?
Yeah.
I'll pull that in later. Should I do it now? How do I do it? Just push it in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. Was it with an 8 or 10?
not plugged in.
Okay. Is it unscrewing it? Did I flip it again? Or is it right?
Is it unscrewing it?
Oh no. Okay, there.
Okay.
Okay.
Now the cover. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Was it maybe for the bottom?
As always, thank you for watching, guys. As you saw, it's a pretty simple process. It's just a couple bolts on the back of the tail lights and the connector pin. It's most tail lights are like that. This is part of a bumper installation, so I'll link that video here. If this video helped you out, please leave a like. If you want to see some more upcoming videos with different vehicles and different parts, subscribe. Please hit the bell notification so you can get those updates. And as always, visit us at revmo.com.